As the name alludes to, commercial real estate refers to properties used for conducting business, primarily 1. Office buildings, where employees engage in a wide range of commercial activities. 2. Retail spaces, used for business-to-consumer sales, for example shopping malls. Or 3. Industrial properties, used for manufacturing, distribution, and warehousing. Investors typically acquire these properties so as to lease them to individuals or businesses and thereby turn them into an income source. Some of the pros are known to be 1. Stable income, especially since once the activity that takes place there does well, renters are not exactly incentivized to leave. B. Tax benefits, for example, tax incentives like deductions for mortgage interest, operational expenses, and depreciation. And C. The usual suspects for real estate such as hedging against inflation, diversification, and appreciation potential. The cons, however, are A. The elephant in the room, remote work and its impact on office space demand, which has been a trend well before the pandemic, but has definitely seen a major boost after it. B. Shifts in retail dynamics, especially the growth of e-commerce to the detriment of brick-and-mortar retail. C. Urban landscape change trends, for example, involving couples where at least one person works from home and who decide to move farther away from cities to save money, thereby further reducing commercial real estate demand. All in all, commercial real estate can definitely be considered a contrarian investment, with there undoubtedly being opportunities you can snag as others flee. This, however, will not exactly be easy, with it being vital to deploy flexibility and conduct thorough location as well as local economy research. Most definitely not a choice for the lazy, in other words. This video has been sponsored by Land of Land, America's premier land wholesaler. Visit landofland.com to find out how purchasing land can be as simple as finalizing an online transaction. With over 2,000 parcels from which to choose, Land of Land will help you acquire parcels that fit with your individual objectives.